Okay, guys. Good morning. Today is Friday. As you can see, what did I tell you yesterday about the boxes? Okay, so I'm gonna exit this trade right now. Okay, so remember yesterday we talked about the boxes that when they will tell you when a reversal is coming. Okay, so as you can see, we have the three boxes here. One, two, three. If you can review the video from yesterday, I told you when you see three boxes, it's a reversal. Okay, so this is what the market did right now. So let's see one pattern that it took a big reversal up. This was the morning. Remember, I told you about the three patterns, the three boxes. When you see
Double top.
this, like a three boxes, it's a reversal. Then we see the three boxes in the bottom, it's a reversal. Okay, right now was congestion, but this one worked out a little bit, but it worked out. Okay, so this is the morning right now. So we already made two trades. We got the short in the morning, and right now this one. So I encourage you guys to get the software so you can get better trades. Okay, so it's not complicated. It's not complicated. You will be a better trader. You will see trades more clearer. Okay, you can wait for the trades to come to you. Okay, so you don't need to rush into the market and do things like trading like blindly.
Double
Okay,
bottom.
okay. So thanks for watching, guys.